there's a tornado on the ground. We're trying to get to it.
Looks like we got a lowering coming into view here.
Yep, I got it.
How about we start looking for a spot to pull over and watch this?
Yeah, I agree.
National Weather Service Doppler radar is tracking a severe thunderstorm with a possible tornado near Moab, 40 miles southwest of Iowa.
Maybe over this hill?
Miles per hour. People are drawn into the town, including the cities of Fort Hupkey, Woodlake, and Bob City, should monitor the weather situation closely, listen for possible warnings, and be prepared to take appropriate action should severe weather threat, in addition to a possible tornado.
Yeah, I don't want to get too much closer, dude. I think we have something in front of us.
Tornado 5 miles south of Hiawatha, Kansas. At 4:18 p.m. the size of quarters was reported in Hiawatha, Kansas. If severe weather is observed in your area...
Do you want to go off to the shoulder?
Yeah, might as well.
Alright.
The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 391, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Kansas, Atchison, Brown, Andonovan, and in Missouri: Andrews, Buchanan, Caldwell, Clinton, Davies, DeKalb, Holt, and Platte. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable to the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and enclosed area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources of northeast Kansas and much of northwest Missouri. To flood water
Big tree.
Big tree. For the following, showers and thunderstorms will be developing high.